Hi everyone. This video will guide you on how to show or hide recommended list in Start menu on Windows 11. By default, Windows 11 shows a recommended list on the Start menu. This recommended section basically shows recently opened files and apps. However, it is possible to hide or show the recommended section items according to your needs. You can disable the recommended section in Start menu using Windows Settings app. Due to some reason, if you want to hide the recommended lists on Windows 11, it is possible through the built-in Settings app. How to show to hide recommended list in Start menu on Windows 11 using the Settings app. To show or hide recommended list in Start menu on Windows 11, first, open the Settings app by pressing Windows +I keys from the keyboard or any other method that you would like to use. Then, click on the Personalization category from the left side pane in the Settings window. On the right side pane of Personalization, click on the Start tab. Here, turn on or off the toggle switch next to the Show Recently Added Apps and Show Recently Opened Items in Start, Jump Lists, and File Explorer. That's it. Depending upon the requirement, you can turn on or off recommended section. If the recommended section is turned off, when you open the Start menu, you will find a message saying, to show your recent files and new apps, turn them on in Start settings. Goodbye. See you in the next video.